Just a short video on steering wheel covers that you buy and put on yourself, and wanted to kind of discuss some of the negative characteristics of these covers. And you just take a look at that that's on a Toyota Land Cruiser, and as you see, it's a do-it-yourself stitch-on cover that just goes right across the spoke and has a really large, not anywhere near factory type stitching on it, and it's not factory at all. That's the biggest key that I always like to tell people about. Here's another one. This is on a Ford F-250, and same thing, same basic type of cover. And while it does remove some of the dirt and grime off of your hands, keeps you from touching the old worn out leather, it looks hideous. It is not factory. So here's another one. This is on an older Porsche 911. Same basic cover, same half-inch space stitching. Just goes across the front of the spokes, doesn't go up and cover the spokes. And then this last one I'm going to show you is off of a Ford F-250 also. But this one is one there that the people who sell these types of covers tell you they're selling you a factory type cover, and it's anything but factory. So you just kind of look at this, you look at the stitching that was done on it, because you got to stitch it up yourself, and unless you're a pretty good seamstress, it's going to end up looking something like this. You got to know how to get your lines straight. The wrinkles in it are just really horrible, and sometimes there are minor wrinkles, but this is really extreme. The way it goes over the spoke, really bad. And the stitching issues, you got thread just hanging out everywhere. And you know, this customer bought this, thought that they could do this and make it look better. And after trying it, and probably no telling how many hours they fought with this thing, they then decided to just send it in to Craft Customs and let the pros handle it for them. And we're going to make every one of these steering wheels look like factory new. That's just what we do here. And our whole business premise is based on the fact of making steering wheels look new again. Not look better, look factory OEM new. And every one of these will look factory OEM new when we finish them. And one last point, as I always stress to all of our employees and customers, the steering wheel is the most viewed and touched part of any vehicle. And if your steering wheel is worn out, then your whole vehicle looks and feels worn out, because that's what you see and touch more than anything else in your vehicle. So if your steering wheel looks factory new, then your whole vehicle looks and feels new again. So reach out to us at craftcustoms.com. We're here to help you make your interior look new again.